Hello, family. I got some new molds. So I'm going to make granola bars. Come join me. First thing I have to do is make some oat flour out of oatmeal. I need 1/3 cup. So we're just going to put some oatmeal in there and we're going to give it a whirl. Okay, that's good enough. And I only need 1/3 cup. I think I'm going to double the recipe actually. So, you know me, I always have to double everything. So we're going to see if we can get 2/3 cup out of this. Yeah, here we go. 2/3 cup. Set that aside. Okay, I'm going to put my gloves on and let's see. Have to have the oven on 350. Okay, it would help if I put on 2, right? Two gloves would be good. All right. Okay, now we're gonna mix together the dries, and we're going to add. It's 1 2/3 cup, so we're just gonna do that twice. Two, and it says to use quick oats, but I don't use quick oats, so we're going to use regular oats. Okay, so we got that in there. Now we want 3/4 cup of sugar times 2. I got to put sugar on the grocery list. Okay. And give that a little mix. Okay, and now I've got my 2/3 cup of, I think this is 2/3 cup. Yeah, 2/3 cup of oat flour. 1 teaspoon of salt, because I'm doing the dries first. One half teaspoon of cinnamon. That's optional, but I like cinnamon, so okay. Now we're going to add 4 to 6 cups of dry ingredients like nuts, raisins, whatever you want to put in there. So we want to like 4 to 6. I'm going to put, well, I'll see. Okay. I still have chopped pecans, so let's put 1 cup in there. Some of them are bigger than others, but we won't be concerned about that. Okay, that's 1 cup. And you can put chocolate chips in there, whatever you want, but I'm not going to put chocolate chips in this. Here's 1. Put some leftover nuts in there. Okay, so I have 2 cups in here so far, right? Correct? Thank you, honey. He's counting for me. All right. Okay, that's 3. Okay, that's 4. Now I'm put some coconut in there. 5. Let's do some more coconut. Coconut's always good. Okay, that's 6 cups of stuff, of good stuff. I'm also going to put a handful of ground flaxseed. That's right, I usually have that in my smoothies. Okay, we're gonna mix this up. Just carefully, if I can. I need a bigger bowl, I think. All right. Now we're going to add this to that. Now, let's mix this up. sure it's good and mixed. I love granola bars, especially for snacks at work. Good for you. Okay, now we're going to add the wet ingredients. You can add peanut butter, but I don't know. It's optional. I don't think I'm going to add peanut butter this time. Okay, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I have 12 tablespoons of, I doubled it so it was 6 each, of melted butter. And I need 1/2 cup of honey. There we go. Sticky stuff. Okay, now we want, it says 2 tablespoons of water. So, or 1 tablespoon. There we go. Now let's see what this, let's see, let's mix it up, see what it looks like. I'm going to mix it with my hands so that I can feel it. It probably needed the peanut butter to help hold it together. I don't know. But we bake this now, so. It says till it's evenly crumbly, so it definitely is crumbly. We're going to see here. Okay, now we're going to fill these pans here. I'm just going to okay. Now, this Now we bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. And then we have to let them cool for 5 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to bake it. And if it works good, I will set up another batch. We'll see you then. Here they are. I had to put them in the fridge to let them cool down because they're very chewy, very soft and chewy. First bite. Okay, let's break it. See, they're chewy. Let's try it. Very chewy. They don't break your teeth. I love that it's got coconut in it. Yes. And you can put whatever you want in it. So we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.